Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Our tutorial today we are going to focus on how to generate KRA tax compliance certificate. The very first thing you need when you are generating your iTax compliance certificate is you come to kra.go.ke. This is the iTax platform. You go to online services. When you come to online services, you'll have access to the following services: PIN registration, and that is why you'll also be able to generate your tax compliance certificate. So the other thing you need to come to Kenya Revenue Authority portal. You log in. Once you log in, here is where you'll generate your iTax compliance certificate. For the one requirement for you to generate the iTax compliance certificate is that you must have filed either nil returns or returns. This is a certificate that is a proof of evidence that you have paid your taxes. So what we'll do is we'll come here, apply for tax compliance certificate. Then it tells us itax.kra.gok says that please be informed that you are entitled to tax compliance certificate without any workflow. Please click OK to continue. So this is where we have to generate our tax compliance certificate, since we have already filed our KRA nil returns. So PIN of the taxpayer, we need to confirm with the PIN certificate. Once you generate a PIN, once you register for a PIN in KRA, they'll send you a PIN certificate. PIN certificate has your PIN number, personal identification number. This is our PIN. That PIN is the identity that shows who you are. It's a unique identity. So reason for applying for application is that we are in search of a job opportunity. Search of a job opportunity. So then we'll say submit. Once we submit, it will be generating us our tax compliance certificate. Submit. It is loading. So what your session is. So when we came to certificate, apply for tax compliance certificate. We stated the reason for applying for this is for search for a job opportunity. It tells us either your application for tax compliance certificate is under process, and you have valid or you have a valid tax compliance certificate, so you cannot apply for another certificate. So it means this one, yeah, that is the whole procedure of how to file how to generate tax compliance certificate. Thank you for sticking me to the end of the video recording. Ensure you subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.